Hello everyone. So initially I had not added this particular lecture to the course because we were already using REPL, and you have already seen the previous lecture where I use REPL to set up my environment. Unfortunately, REPL has gone through some crazy changes, and I don't even know how to start a Python project or a Python REPL over here. They have completely changed the user interface. It's all AI. And if I have to create a brand new REPL for Python, I don't know how to do it. I have no idea how to do this. So if you can figure it out, that's perfectly fine for you. That's great. Actually, let me know how to do that. But if you can't figure it out, don't worry. You can still use Visual Studio Code, or you can actually use Google Colab. We will be using Google Colab for machine learning. So if you want to use Google Colab for Python learning, that is perfectly fine too. You can see that you create a new notebook, and that's it. That's Google Colab. I mean, I can just start writing my Python code, hello world, or anything like that. All right. So there we go. So you can see that everything will work. I mean, Google Colab is not only for machine learning stuff. I mean, although we will be using it exclusively for machine learning, but if you want to learn Python, just the language itself, you can still use Google Colab. All right. So it's a really nice environment for Python, for machine learning, data science. So if you cannot figure out how to use REPL to create the Python environment, then you can definitely use Google Colab, much easier to use. All right. So that's it. Check out Google Colab. But again, if you feel like you want to use some other tool, like maybe you want to use Visual Studio Code, maybe you want to use some other online resources for learning Python or running Python, that is perfectly fine, perfectly fine. All right. So we have options like REPL, we have options like Google Colab, Visual Studio Code, and we have so many other options. So you can definitely check out any option that you want. If you're looking for a quick solution, then Google Colab is great. You can see right now, I just wrote one line of Python, I can run it, and I can get my result right there. So Google Colab is great. All right. So that's it. If you need any help, let me know. But Google Colab would work for you too. Thank you. Hey everyone, I hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you're interested, I have a complete course called Machine Learning Bootcamp for complete beginners. Now, this is around 12-hour course, and I keep adding new material. And this is going to start with Python development. So you can see there are a lot of sections on Python development, and then it dives into machine learning. So you're going to learn about linear regression, logistic regression, trees, clustering, PCA, and even a project where you will train your own model, and then you will build a website using Flask to connect to the model. So there's a lot of stuff that is covered in this course, and the best part of this course is that it is for beginners, complete beginners. We are going to use real-world example. We're going to solve real-world problems, all dedicated for beginners. So this is a really good course, and it covers scikit-learn, it covers pandas, it covers Flask, a lot of stuff. So this is a really great course for complete beginners, and the link of this course will be right there in the YouTube description. I really hope that you enjoy this course. Thank you so much.